Welcome. Today, we're diving into an essential topic: how to create a new Gmail account. Whether you're signing up for the first time or starting fresh, we'll guide you through each step of the process, making it easier than ever to get your own Gmail account. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to the Google account sign-in page. You can do this by typing accounts.google.com into the address bar. This is where your journey begins. Once you're on the page, look for the button that says Create Account. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you some options. Here, you'll choose how you intend to use this account. Do you need it for personal use? Are you creating an account for your child? Or are you setting it up for business purposes? Just pick the option that suits your needs best. Now it's time to enter some personal information. Start by typing in your name. This will be the name associated with your account, so make sure it's something you're comfortable with. After that, you'll be prompted to provide your birthday and gender. This information helps Google personalize your experience. Next, you'll need to pick a username. This will become your unique identifier in Gmail, so choose something that's easy for you to remember but also represents you or your brand. After you've got that sorted, enter a password. Make sure it's strong and secure. A mix of letters, numbers, and special characters works best. Also, do note that when typing your password on a mobile device, the first letter isn't case-sensitive, so keep that in mind. Once you've entered and confirmed your password, click Next to move on. Here's an optional step. You'll have the opportunity to add and verify a phone number for your account. This is a great feature for added security and account recovery, so it's worth considering. Finally, after you've added your phone number, click Next once more. And just like that, you're on your way to having a brand new Gmail account. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.